Hey, y'all. Welcome back to another exciting episode of What's He Doing Now? Um, Yesterday we stopped at a great restaurant here, uh, the Cold Springs Tavern, which started life like 150 years ago as a stagecoach stop. And now it's a fantastic restaurant with some of the best tri-tip you can find. My lovely assistant got a tri-tip French dip, and she couldn't eat it all because it's a big sandwich and she wanted room for their peach cobbler. So I'm curious what leftovers will do on the griddle. Only lit one side. Got a dome. We'll let that heat up. Even throw the bread on for a minute just to see how that does. This isn't where balls go. You can hear it cooking. Their tri-tip is truly delicious. I had a barbecue tri-tip sandwich that was perfect. Their regular tri-tip sandwich is fantastic. They know their stuff when it comes to tri-tip. So if you're ever in the Santa Barbara area, be sure to stop by the Cold Springs Tavern. Except on a Sunday. Bikers come from all over because it's an incredible ride. And cars are lined up for a mile or so in either direction. So you probably won't get a seat, or there'll be an hour wait. But even then, it's worth it because it's absolutely gorgeous. So that's cooking. It shouldn't take long because it's already cooked. You just needed to heat it up, and I wanted that griddle something, that griddle sear that should make it perfect. In fact, I can even turn it up a little. Oh, it's getting the... Yeah. Oh. So it's already perfect. I hope I didn't ruin it by adding this extra cooking. That's one thing they don't do is toast their bread. So we'll toast the bread. It'll only take a second or two or three. What do you think, Baja? Are we doing okay? Yeah. Toasting slower than I expected, but we're almost out of gas. You can hear it starting to spit a little bit, which is a sign. And you hear the gas going. My cat does that to me sometimes when I'm trying to pet her. It's fun when kittens do it, though. I bet some of you at this very second are going. Yeah, I think it doesn't have the sear, but it's out of press or something. So let's turn off the. Oh, you think so, huh? And this is half a sandwich. You can see how much meat's left in that half sandwich, which I'll have to rearrange with my fingers. I'm sure you've noticed I use my fingers. Oh, it smells so good. I use my fingers a lot, so if you don't like that, tough nookies. Look at all that meat. Just look at that. Okay, we got slightly warmed bread. We got it heated up. Better than a microwave, right? Let's give it a taste. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry, that was a lot of chewing. I didn't want to talk with my mouth full this time. That is divine, y'all. Got that sear from the flat top, which makes it just that much more delicious. So that's our leftover tri-tip French dip. I didn't bring the French dip because I run something good, right? Anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.